Some foods cook themselves, like rice in a rice cooker. Other foods come pretty close to that, such as pasta. Chicken risotto isn't quite that easy, but it's pretty close. So if you're still new to cooking or just looking for a simple new recipe, look no further. Follow along as I show you how. I've laid out all the ingredients here. That's 2 chicken breasts, 2 cups of rice, a can of sliced carrots, 4 cups of chicken stock, salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of butter. Not a hard or long list of ingredients to muster. Innuendo intended. Start by melting the butter in a pot, then dump the carrots in. Cover the pot and give the carrots 5 minutes of alone time. While you wait, get your fingers on that chicken and, more importantly, the knife in it. If you're not a professional amateur chef like me, you might not be able to finish cutting the chicken before the carrots need attention, but you can come back to finish the job later. Now add the rice and the chicken stock to the pot. Stir your rice soup whenever it starts to boil. The time between stirs will decrease until it feels like you've just set your spoon down and you can hear it boiling again. This should take about 10 minutes. Season your chicken in salt and pepper, then get it in the pot. Continue stirring occasionally. It should be about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked and most of the broth has been absorbed. Now it's ready to serve. Get yourself a heaping bowl full and give it a try. Mmm, creamy taste without all that fatty cream. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you do cook it for yourself, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Bye.